From his heart, I want to say welcome on board the PMP and the Victory Train, Comrade Steve McGregor. But is it that time where I introduce to you Mr. Clean Hands and Heart, President of the People's National Party, Member of Parliament here in the Noble Region 3, as a Central Kingston. Welcome, Mark Jefferson Gowling to the podium.
The mic can work? Yeah. All right. Comrade Chairman of the meeting, Mara Mitchell. Comrade Chairman of the party, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke. Comrade General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell. Comrade MPs, Comrade Councillors, Comrade Caretakers, all of the workers and warriors who are here. Big up Central Kingston. Big up. I want to say a special shout out to my peeps from South St. Andrew, in the place. And all of the constituencies around town will come in and build the vibes here tonight. Comrades, my heart is full. Because, you know, we want to make something good come out of adversity right here, so. And I've brought to you a man of quality, a man of performance, this constituency in another capacity, and served it well, and has earned the respect of the people. And you know, I believe in Steve, because Steve has shown what he can do already, and he's moving into a new realm of service. Service to you, the people of Central Kingston. And I know he will deliver. And he also increases my options when we form the next government. Because the man has certain skills and certain knowledge and certain experience and certain network. So I'm very happy to have him on board. A whole heap of little things have been said in the last few days. Boy, I don't know how much lie can tell on radio, on TV, and wherever, social media. The party took a decision in accordance with the rules of the party, but in the best interest of the people of Central Kingston, because we have to win the seat, and we want to unite around a quality candidate who can deliver the victory. And we found Steve McGregor, and he's willing to serve, and he came on board. The man is a member of the party. As him leave the force, him join the party. And you know, I think it will be a new day for Central Kingston. Because all the little shenanigans and things were going on before, that cut out now. A real man is here to serve the people and deliver for the people. Comrades and friends, we have a work to do. This government can't deliver the change that Jamaica needs. It can't deliver the hope that the people crave for. We're going to set up housing with affordable housing for the people. We're going to set up agriculture with a new policy to support the farmers of this country. We're going to build out the logistics infrastructure so real value can be created and real wealth can be created in this country. We're going to fix the education system, starting at the source, the little pick to them, early childhood development and primary. Because when we start them right, them bright, and a great future ahead of them. And we're going to fix the training structures of the country, integrating the private sector and the state sector to train our people for the jobs of today and tomorrow and the future, so that they can earn good money, providing service that the world needs, because Jamaicans are stars. We just need to give them the opportunity and give them the support, and they will shine bright like any diamond. So people, we are on a great mission. I want to thank each and every one for coming out tonight, to support this transition in a show of strength here in Central Kingston. PNP is ready and we're coming to take back this one because we need this one to serve Jamaica and move the movement forward. Comrades, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? When I say Steve, you say Steve. 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 Power! Power! The word is love, comrades. One love. God bless you all. Victory, we say. Yeah, there, yeah. I have one more little thing to do, a very important thing to do. Comrades of Central Kingston, it brings me great pleasure to present to you a man of quality, a man of power, a man of vision, a man of commitment, a man of integrity, a man who you deserve to serve you well. I bring to you your candidate in the next general election for the great constituency of Central Kingston, the constituency of Ralph Brown, the constituency of Michael Joshua Manley, the constituency of Ronnie Thwaites and many others. But I'm here to bring to you tonight your candidate, the victory candidate for the next general election, Comrade Steve McGregor. Yeah, man. Comrades, it's a beautiful night. Let's do the work and build the vibes and make ourselves happy and proud. One love, comrades. God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Comrade Leader. Comrades, let's be upstanding for the trumpet.